Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your account on Binance Exchange using the TRC20 Tether method. As you saw in the previous tutorials, we created and verified our account on this exchange. Now, to fund your account, you need to click on the deposit option on this page. On the new page that opens, you select your desired currency. If you currently don't have any crypto assets in your account, you can easily purchase them with US dollars, or alternatively, you can receive your desired digital asset through P2P trading. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll be making our deposit by using crypto assets. On the next page, you need to choose your desired coin from this list. Here we are using USDT on the TRX network, and in the next section, the destination address will be displayed to you. As you can see, the minimum deposit amount is specified as more than 0.01 Tether. By clicking on the More Details option, you can view more information about this deposit. Your selected wallet is the spot wallet, and after one network confirmation, this deposit operation will be completed. You open your own wallet on your mobile phone. You select the desired currency, which is Tether on the TRX network, and click on the Send option. In the first field, you enter the destination address, and in the second field, the desired amount for the deposit. Alternatively, you can simply scan the displayed QR code by clicking on this option and complete the deposit process. You click on Next. On the next page, the source address, destination address, transaction fee, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking on Confirm and entering your password, the payment process will be completed. After the deposit is completed on this page, by clicking on the More Details option, you can view more details about your transaction on the Tronscan website. You will return to the exchange page. You can conveniently view the added balance to your account in the Asset Overview section, and if you would like to see more information about the details of this transaction, you can fully view your transaction details in the Transaction History section here. For your reference, all relevant information is available. This was the tutorial on how to fund your account on Binance Exchange using the USDT TRC20 method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.